Go. I am the perpetrator, better known as TPT Concepts. It is August 30th of 2024, and today I will be trading SPY to close. But gang, before we get into the charts, you know what we got to do? Get a word of truth from God, Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Every day, you feel me? All right. Today is come from John 16:33. I have said these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation. But take heart, I have overcome the world. Gang, I'm gonna read it one more time. John 16:33. I have said these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation. But take heart, I have overcome the world. You feel me, gang? Like, God be telling us straight up to our face, bro. I think we make life complicated. You feel me? All right. Before we hop in the charts every day, we always got to give thanks to Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior, for even having, breath and ability to even talk, see, hear, anything, bro. You feel me? All right. Let's see here. Trust Daniels, Sports Factory, and check the news because you do not want to be inside of a trade if news is coming out. That's my personal opinion. Again, this channel is not financial advice. I'm just telling you things that was told to me by professional traders. Okay, and that's why I like to trade when the markets are quiet. All right, gang. So we had news earlier today, and we don't have any news this afternoon. We had news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. I'm pretty sure it probably made the market pretty volatile. All right, gang. Once you check the news, you know what we do. Come do a top-down analysis. And this right here is for people, if this is your first video or your first time watching me, this is what a top-down analysis is. I won't really go into it, but I will show you. All right. You can pause the video, read it. All right, here we go. Let's start on the daily time frame. We have a bearish bias. Why is that? Due to yesterday's candle close. See? Yesterday's candle close bearish. So today we have a bearish bias. Okay. And let's go down to a lower time frame to see if we can get some market structure. And again, gang, we're starting on the daily time frame because, well, because I'm a day trader. Okay. I consider myself an intraday scalper. Okay. I don't really want to be in trades no longer than maybe, tell the truth, I'd be in a trade for up to like 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. But after that, I'm probably out the trade. Okay. That's why I call myself an intraday scalper, because sometimes I'd be in a trade for 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay. But again, gang, yesterday's daily candle was bearish. This is where I get my bias from. And this is what I've been taught and learned. I watch guys on YouTube like Donvo and Nick Stewart. You feel me? All right. Go down to the lower time frame. Okay, gang. On the 4-hour, we have it says support here and a resistance here. You can say price is trading within this range here. Okay. Let's mark off all-time highs. Okay, gang, let's go down to the 1-hour. Okay. On the 1-hour, we have a resistance here. And we find, okay, a support here. All right. And it looks like a support here as well. Okay. And then this support down. Okay, this is the market structure we have on the 1-hour. You see I marked up this resistance where price pushed down. Also this area here where price pushed up. You see I have a support here, Well, we can clean this up on the 30-minute. Go down to the 30-minute time frame. Let's see here. Gotta look left. We look left to get right. Okay, again, we got a support here and a support here as well. Resistance here. Okay, let's see. Trying to get the best market structure we can to mark up these ranges, these ranges are pretty much key support and resistance or supply and demand, whichever terms you feel comfortable with. Okay, I see a support here, and I'll use the support here. The support. Yeah, support is here as well. Okay, gang, you just see me marking up where price pivoted, changed direction, made a support, made a resistance. You know what I mean? Okay. Trading is not easy, but it can be made simple, which is why I enjoy watching the traders that I do, and that inspired me to create a channel to do the same thing. I'm gonna go down to the 15-minute to see if I can get a better. Okay, let's see. We got. Okay. Okay, gang, and your ranges, they won't be perfect, but you know, we draw them the best that we can, okay? We draw them the best way that we can. Okay. Shit. Yeah, gang, I'm trying to get these ranges the best I can. Price has been kind of choppy in this area. I'm thinking about just using this support here because that'll be, yeah. This is what I'm thinking. Yeah. And price is trading within this range here. Yes. Once you find out what range price is trading in, support was made here. Yeah, again. Yeah, when we get closures above here, we get a push up. You see here, looking left. When price makes a support, it pushes up. Okay. You see, push up, push up, push up. And that's all we can do, gang. Go off of what price has done in the past. All right. As traders, that's all we can do, gang. But nah, again, I probably won't go long unless price break this level right here, 559. Yeah. Whereas for is a breakout, let's see how price is looking. Okay. Okay, gang, let's draw out our trading plan. Start with the breakout. Price break out the range, find a resistance. We'll be looking for a short entry. Wherever there's a breakout, talk to me, gang. Okay, there's a fake out. Price fakes out the range, closes back inside. Finds the support, we'll be looking for a long entry. All right. As far as the breakout trade today, I'll be taking a breakout if it breaks this resistance here. To come up here and retest this resistance right here, okay? Wherever there's a breakout, there's a fake out, okay? The price breaks out, comes back inside, find a resistance, and push down. Pretty much the fake out is price making a lower low or a higher high. If that make any sense. Or I'm saying a lower high or a higher low, excuse me. You see it, a lower high, you see here, price fakes out the range, comes back inside, find a resistance, lower high, or a higher low. Price fakes out. Look, we might be having to play here. Just got to be patient. Let's see. We are getting a push back inside of the range. You see here where price did that, it pushed up. Okay. Let's see if we can get a closure back in this. We did get a closure on the 1 minute back in this range. If we can get a pullback, sort of like a retest of this range, which we may not with this imbalance. I don't just want to hop into a buy. Okay, gang, set my alerts and my take profit areas, the current range price is trading in. And gang, as traders, that's all we can do. All right. We look left to get right. All right. Every trading plan I marked up is something that I saw from the left. That's all we can do, gang. And wait on price action. The time is now 12:51. Like I said, we're gonna push up. I will be trading from around 1 to 3:15 today. And I had a bearish bias due to yesterday's daily candle and all the selling going on today. But let's see. Okay, you see what price did here? All right, so here's a support here, and a resistance. And here go my 4 trading plans. And we just wait, gang. Okay, this candle pretty much filling this whole range. Yeah, gang, I'm gonna just keep it simple today. Buys above here, and then sells below here. Yeah. Unless I see something different, I'll keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they tell me. I gotta keep it simple. Closure below, retest. Okay. Closure above, support, push up. Closure above, push up, push up. Yeah. We got a little under 7 minutes for this candle closure. But yeah, gang, if price breaks above this resistance, I will be looking for a long entry. And a closure below the support, I'll be looking for what price did here. Okay. I'll just keep it simple. And now, gang, all we can do is just be patient and wait on price action. I am the Put the Trader TPT Concepts. Thanks again for all the support. If you enjoying the content, I would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, gang. And another reason, gang, I'm gonna just keep it simple is because look, you see how price chopped up in this area in the past? See? All through here, it chopped up. So I'll just wait for if it breaks out of this resistance or closure and retest below the support. Yeah, gang. So when we trade, and we just got to look at and see what price did to the left, and this is kind of what price did in between these ranges. You feel me? That's what price did. It consolidated, just moved sideways. So let's wait till we get a closure above where price pushed up, or right here where price pushed down. Let me see if I can show you guys. Right here. You see? This is this. This is this. Okay? This is this. This is this. Okay? And that's just keeping it as simple as we can. We don't know what trade are going to be winners. We don't know what trade are going to be learning experiences. We just have to put it on based off of our edge. Okay? God is in control. Execute your edge. Every trade outcome is random. And don't get FOMO, gang. But we are definitely going to push up. Yeah, again, we would just come into the charts when this candle closed, but a little after it closed. And that wouldn't have been a bad scalp. but it's all good. We'll be patient. We will be patient and wait on our setup. We got less than 2 minutes for this candle closure. And again, gang, we don't know how this candle may close. You know, they could be trying to trap buyers and close back below support. So in the market, we just got to try our best to control our emotions. That is what I'm realizing. Have to control our emotions, gang. That's the best we can do. Yeah, gang. The price closes above the support level. Okay. Let's see. Okay, gang. This candle closed inside of the range. And again, gang, we do see what price have done in this area before. So don't feel like you're missing out on anything. You see, it had filled this range before and came back and pushed down. You see, pushed up, then pushed down. So let's wait until we can see if we get a closure above this resistance. If not, maybe price push back down and get a closure below the support, and we'll be looking for short entries. Okay. Until then, we'll be patient. I am the Prather Trader, TPT Concept. As retail traders, gang, we may see 1 to 2 good setups a day. I had to realize that, and I'm sharing this knowledge with you guys. And again, you see right here where price faked out, closed below the range, came back inside, and then they came back and stopped out all the people that went long right here. All right, gang, let's be patient. Wait on these candle closures. We have our ranges marked up. All we can do is wait. And like I said, gang, I'll be looking for a position till around 3:15. After that, I'll call it a day. Don't get FOMO, gang. Let price keep pushing. If we don't get a pullback, this is not our trade. Okay. Obviously, not obviously, but clearly, the institutions uh just came back from lunch and they just put in a big order. So I mean, let's see if all the orders got filled, or do they need to come back down and get some more filled before heading up? If all the orders got filled, then because then again, we do have this exhaustion wick at the bottom. Okay, will price trap some sellers. Let's just see if price want to retest this range if it closes above this resistance. And again, gang, we gotta wait for this candle to close. It can leave a wick all the way up here and close all the way back down here. Okay, so yeah, gang, I'll just wait for my setup. That's all we can do. Again, gang, the only thing we can do is wait for our setup. We cannot force the market to give us profits. Trust me, I tried. You will get rinsed. And yeah, gang, we just got to come here with a clear mind and just observe price action, man. You feel me? Count it all joy, gang. Count it all joy. We got price pulling back. But yeah, I'm actually glad I did take a look left and saw all of this chop. So I'll stay out of this range and wait to see what price want to do. Okay, gang. With that, when I remove that line, does it look more clear as far as like this chop? So as traders, the only thing we can pretty much go by is what price did to the left. And as you can see here, it's doing something similar. It may not always be identical, like exactly the same. Just like I tell you guys, a trading plan, it may not be exactly what it is, but if it's close to it, we had to execute on our edge. Everything won't be like perfect. You can't be picky. But long story short, you see consolidation to the left and consolidation to the right. So the market know for a fact a lot of retail just went long after seeing this huge bullish candle. And I'm not saying price won't just continue to shoot up, but more than likely it may pull back to get filled for some more orders potentially. I'm not sure, but let's just wait for this candle closure. We have what, 7 minutes? 7 minutes into this 15-minute candle closure. Okay, again, we can see this current candle does not have well, it do have a bottom wick if we zoom all the way in, but it's really small, meaning that the next candle could come give it a bottom wick, or the current candle could flip bearish. So again, I'll just wait for a candle closure above this resistance or below this support. Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple today. We have less than 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle closure. And again, gang, no bottom wick. 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. The wick gives the next candle a range to drive. Okay, you see here at the bottom of this range, you got the wick that closed outside of the range, but the body of the candle closed inside of the range. That's what got this push up. And if I was at the chart, I probably would have taken this long entry because this was a good scalp, okay, to fill the range and potentially keep going because we don't know how this candle gonna close. Okay, gang, this candle did close above the resistance, but it has little to no bottom wick. So let me see here. But you know what, gang, we may not have a setup. That's all good. Yeah, I don't want to enter this chart. Nah, no bottom wick. Um, no, that won't be a good impulse buy. Yeah, I'll just be patient. If price just continues up, that's cool. That's just not my trade. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, if I was in a long position, I probably would have closed most of my position as soon as this candle closed with no bottom wick, because the next candle could come, potentially break the lows and push down, or you just never know. Okay, gang. And again, I do not know what the chart is going to do. I did not know that this candle would come down and make a bottom wick for this candle, but I did mention it because, like I said, gang, the professional traders that I watch, this is the kind of price action that they have noticed over the 5, 10, 15 years they've been trading. So if we want to like get to where they at faster, we just gotta do what they have noticed, okay? Because they've been trading for many of years, and they say 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if a candle don't have a bottom wick, the next candle could potentially make a bottom wick for it, which is what this candle is doing here. And again, gang, this does not mean that price is just about to come down, fill the range, break through support. It doesn't mean that. It just means that, price will come make a bottom wick for that candle. If not the next candle, it will be eventually. And to be completely honest, depending on how this candle closes, I may enter a long position because, again, gang, we got a closure above this resistance, and now we got a bottom wick for this candle that broke out of the range. Okay. Yeah, again, we have a little over 8 minutes for this 15-minute candle closure. Let's see how it closes because price could easily close back inside the range. And like I said before, today I'm gonna just keep it kind of simple with a breakout due to this consolidation that it did yesterday. Okay, so I'll just be patient, gang. Okay, gang, you see price is making another push down. So it has broken its own lows twice. And that's not a good sign if you are in a long position. Like I said, I felt like maybe the institutions might have came in on this bearish candle and this bullish candle right here to kind of trap orders from yesterday in this range. So I'll just be patient and I'll try to see what price want to do. I'm sure that a lot of retail traders went long right here with this breakout, and now currently they are in a drawdown right now. So let's see if price want to retest this support or close above this range. Okay, because we still have 6 minutes into this candle closure. And again, gang, remember when I said when this candle closed, if I would have taken a long position here, I would have closed most of my position when price filled the range. Again, this is why. Only because this candle, once again, I know I keep saying it, but I have to. It did not have a bottom wick. And this candle here is making a bottom wick forward, but this candle can still close above the range. And if so, I will be looking for a long entry. I will enter a long position to come fill these ranges up here. But if price closes inside the range, I will just continue waiting. Yeah, no trade zone today. No trades inside of here. And this right here is for me, so don't pay attention to this. This is me being disciplined right here. Okay, gang, this candle is trying to kind of pull back a little bit. We got about a little over 2 minutes, for this candle closure. Let's see how price want to close. Less than 1 minute, gang. Less than 1 minute for this candle closure. And again, gang, price closed back in the range. They might have just trapped some buyers. Sort of how they trap sellers down here. Fake out, fake out. Yeah, again, it's kind of closed back inside the range, so let's be patient and wait on our setup. And again, gang, that is why I would have exited my position right here. So I would have pretty much trying to keep all these profits from this candle if I would have went long. So Okay, gang. We see we have a little over 8 minutes into this candle close. All right. Let's see if we can get this candle to push up and maybe close above. Okay, gang. We got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes into this candle closure. And again, we have our trading plans. A breakout, a retest, breakout, retest. All right, pretty much simple. It's all simple today, gang. Fridays to close. And again, I would advise to stay out of this range because all it is, it chops. It chops up in here. It chops and fake out. Fake out, fake out. But the price comes back up and close above, Okay. Now that's a different story. Now that's us looking at a long position. But again, gang, we had to wait till the candle to close. I am the Pet the Trader, TPT Concepts. Again, it's August 30th, 2024, last trading day of the month. And again, next week will be 1 year. I will be officially 1 year in the game. You feel me? So excited about that. Less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes for this candle closure. Okay, again, we got about 1 minute. 1 minute for this candle to close, and you see prices pulling back, starting to pull back. Let's see here. Less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds. And again, game prices pretty choppy in this range. So okay, wow, look at that candle closure. Close week, bullish. Yeah, again, you really don't know what price is about to do. I'm not saying we never do, but now inside of this range, I'm just saying it's a very low probability trade. It's not a high probability or the highest probability trade that we can take. And again, gang, the hardest part about trading is waiting. All right, so your fake YouTube guru, he lied to you, bro. You're not about to get a Lambo, bro. Not next week. Not next year. Not the year after. We can't give up, bro. It takes years to master this craft, but it's okay, bro. It takes years to become a doctor. It takes years to become a lawyer. You feel me? Like they don't give up, and they spend their own money, bro. Just like we have to spend our own money learning how to become traders. It is what it is, gang. Let's stick with it. All right, this candle is pushing up, but no top wick. So let's see if we get a pullback. Price kind of just pretty much doing what it did here. But yeah, we're gonna closure above. We're looking for a push up here. Okay. And that's how we're waiting on a closure above or below this range. If I don't get that, then I will not be entering a position today. But I get a closure above this range, I may be looking for an impulse entry. The only reason I may not wait for the retest is because we got a fake out earlier. Okay. This fake out earlier, we get a closure above. I think that's gonna keep pushing up. Okay. Because like I said earlier today, I honestly think the institutions came in, but I'm just trying to see if all their orders got filled. And no, every day you come to the chart, so you won't have a trade, which is why I post these sessions, okay? Showing you the real, bro. You're not gonna just come here and take a trade and just go on about your day. You gotta set you a time period. You feel me? I set me a time period, 1 to 3:15. I'm gonna trade the close. All right. Because typically I see moves that happen like around like sometimes 1:32. You feel me? Like 2:30, 2:15. Power hour starts at 3. And honestly, I don't want to be in a position after 3:15, so that's why I just cut it off then. All right. And you can trade however you want to. I like to trade when the markets are quiet. Some people like to trade news. I just don't, bro. I am the Perfect Trader TPT Concepts. Thanks again for all the support. Again, gang, that's another reason why if I would have took the long here off the bottom of the range to come fill it, and again, this was not a bad scalp at all, I would have exited my position right here with no bottom wick because you see what's going on. You see? After this happened, now price moving sideways. I can't make a move until I get a closure above. You feel me? This candle did close above, but it didn't have a bottom wick, so I stayed out the trade, and price came down and made a bottom wick for it. Okay. Okay, gang, we have a little over 4 minutes, a little over 4 minutes for this candle closure. We see prices trying to push up. Let's see how this candle closes though. Let's see how this candle closes, gang. Okay, gang, I didn't realize how important candles closure was until like, as I got later in my first year. Man, like I've been trading for a while, you know what I mean? My first year. But yeah, man, candle closures are definitely important. You feel me? And again, shout out to Time to Eat Trading, bro. And Don Vo. Man, I forgot what his name was called. I think it's Devious, something like that. You feel me? Shout out to those guys, bro. Rajah Banks, man. Rajah Concepts, I believe. Real inspirational people, bro. Motivational. You dig what I'm saying, man? All right, again, we got 3 minutes for this candle closure. All right, let's wait and see. I am the Prather Trader, TPT Concepts. Okay, again, we have a little over 1 minute to this candle close. It has been bullish, flipped bearish. Again, we are trading inside of this chop. So be careful, don't get chopped up. Okay, gang, less than 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds for this candle to close. Okay, gang, it closed bearish doji. So again, we're not really getting any strong buying or selling after that huge bullish candle where institutions came in, and now we see this current candle pushing down with no top wick. So it's all good, guy. Let's just be patient and wait on the setup. Yeah, again, right now, if you are in a short or long position, you are probably like, what's going to happen? Because you enter in a low probability range. Okay. And again, gang, I still do that sometimes, and that's why I created this channel to try my best to show you guys how not to do that. And that's why I watch guys. I told you the guys that I watch. Okay, gang, we have a little over 8 minutes, a little over 8 minutes for this candle closure. So let's just be patient with our price action. Okay, gang. We see prices pushing up, but again, we have 5 minutes into this candle close. So let's see if it can close above the range. Because you see all these wicks, all these candles leave, wicks, 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 wicks everywhere. That's how the candle closed, you feel me? You see this candle here? Closed with no bottom wick. Next candle gave it a bottom wick. You see? So if we get a closure above the range with a top wick and it has a bottom wick, I will enter a long position, impulse entry. Closure above, I'll probably impulse entry. I may put quarter risk, maybe half. Not max risk. It will not be max risk. You know what I'm saying? Because impulse entry requires no retest. So my highest probability setup is a retest, a break and retest, or a fake out, which is what we got here at the bottom of the range. I may have put max risk on this because my stop loss would have been so close. You know what I mean? Three minutes into this candle actually closes. Okay, this candle is trading above the range. Don't get FOMO. Let's see if it actually closes above. Okay. If it closes above, I will enter a long position. Stop loss would be this range. First take profit would be this area here, and that's the second take profit. Okay. All right. But we are hoping that this candle have a top wick as well. All right. It already has a bottom wick. Okay, again, less than 2 minutes. Price is kind of pulling back a little bit. Let's see how this candle want to close, gang. The time is now 2:13. We've been here for about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, gang, 1 minute, 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, gang, less than 1 minute. Yeah, gang, I am long. Okay, I'm in a long position. Stop loss will pretty much be if it trades back in the range. Full TP. First take profit. Second. Stop loss. Okay, gang, this is my trade. Okay, gang, let's see if price can push up. I may close some partials here in this area. I may take off maybe like 50% right here. Because we see price dropped off here. And again, gang, I explained why I took the trade. We got a resistance here, a fake out. Okay, and this is an impulse entry. Let me go ahead and impulse entry, break out of range, no retest. And again, gang, no retest. I went low risk on this trade. Very tight stop loss. Trying to get a 1 to 10. Okay, so very, very tight stop loss. Okay. Pretty much if price trades, like if it closes back inside the range, I'll be stopped out the position. Okay. And every trade outcome is random gain. Only thing we can do now is wait on price action, baby. Yeah, gang. We had our trading plan, drew it out, and now all we can do now is just wait on price action, man. All right. Every trade outcome is random, gang. We never know what price is going to do. So if you see your edge, we got to hop in. And the only thing I don't like is this candle have like little to no bottom wick. But and this is what an impulse entry is, pretty much not getting a confirmation candle. So that's why I pretty much went low risk. And again, gang, I am the Breadth Trader TPT Concepts. It's August 30th, 2024. I'm trading SPY. I'm trading the close. And I just entered a long position. And the reason I'm gonna close 50% is because you can see here where price came last time, it kind of sold off pretty hard. So I want to take some profit in this area. If price can even come and fill this wick, you know what I mean? So let's see. And again, gang, as traders, our only job is just to execute our edge. That's all we can do, gang. That is all we can do. Okay, gang, I just took a little bit of profit off due to the fact that can on the 15 minute did not have a bottom wick. Still holding on to over 70% though. Okay, gang, you see price pulling back. Like I said, the can on the 15 minute did not have a bottom wick, so I'm gonna manage this trade on the 30 minute. If price closes below this range, I gotta exit my position. But if price close above the range, I'll stay in and try to see if we can, potentially hit take profit. And yeah, gang, as traders, all we can do is, as you see again, I'm waiting while I'm in a trade. I waited before the trade. I waited. Like, that's pretty much the name of the game. You're gonna be waiting like 90% of the time, trading 10%. Feel me? But your fake YouTube guru want you to believe that you're trading 90% of the time and you're only waiting 10%. But that's just not the case, bro. And again, it's no surprise. No surprise. I said surprise. There's no surprise. Price is pulling back due to the fact that that 15-minute candle did not have a bottom wick. So let's just manage this trade on the 30. We have less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. I'm currently in a risk-free trade now. I'll keep my stop loss where it is until this candle close. Because again, I need a closure inside of this range to see if I can get a push up. Okay. We have a little over 3 minutes left for this 30-minute candle closure. And again, gang, when we take a position, we'll always have our trading plan, reason why we took the trade, stop loss, or we'll close partials and take profit. Okay. But if you see candles like I did on the 15-minute time frame with no bottom wick, that's why you see me close a little partial kind of early just to up a commission. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'll be honest. I've taken more profit. I will be honest. I've taken more profit, gang. When the market gives you profit, I was taught to take it. We are in a risk-free trade. Yeah, my stop loss is still right here. Closure inside of the range. And like I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see price pull back, but let's see if we can get a push up, gang. We got a little over 1 minute. A little over 1 minute for this candle closing. We want to see price close inside this range to see if we can keep getting a push up. Thirty seconds to this candle closure. And I will stay in the trade if price closes inside of this range. See if it fills this wick. I'm trying to work on staying in my trades longer and not getting out unless price actually gives me a reason to. And I wouldn't be surprised if the next candle open up bears, making a bottom wick to come retest this range and push up. Okay, gang, price did close inside the range. So I will stay in this position. Okay, gang, I'm still in this trade due to the fact that price closed inside this range. Let's see if we can get a push up. If not, we already collected profits, and that's why I do that, gang. And that's why I take profits, because when the market offers you profits, you should take it. I'm not saying just close trades all quick and fast, because I'm still in most of my position. I'm just saying try to cover commission, because we do have to pay to enter and exit every trade that we take. So, you know. I'll be honest, gang, I wouldn't mind this candle starting off bearish, then flipping bullish. But let's go down to the 15-minute. Let's see what's going on. Okay. On the 15-minute, we did get a closure of, okay, let's see if we get a wick fill. And gang, you see how price reacted at this level? You see? Yeah, gang. So let's be careful. We did get a closure above the range. Okay, gang. My stop loss is pretty much in the same spot. Let's see if we can get a wick fill and potentially fill the rest of this range. And again, my full take profit is up here where price dropped off today. This imbalance in the market. So, and the reason why I took the trade, my trading plan. And again, gang, like I said in the beginning of the video, your trade will not always be identical to your trading plan, but as long as it's similar, you feel me, and that pretty much have the same confluences, you know, entering that trade, it's not too bad. And again, gang, friendly reminder, every trade outcome is random. The only thing we can do is just put it on, all right, and manage our risk, which is why I have started to take profits when they are available. Okay, gang, we have filled the wick. And again, like I said, I'm practicing on holding onto my trades longer. Waiting for price to give me a reason to get out of it. All right, we're gonna push up. Okay. You see me trailing my stops because I kind of want to keep these profits, so I want to keep that wick fill. So if price trades back below it, you will hear me exiting my position. Because us filling this wick, we should go push up and fill this range now. We come back down below here, I'm out. I'm out the position. Finger on the button. I'm out. Because wicks only get filled with times of volume. Times of volume is the open and the close. Yeah, we just filled this wick. We should not trade below it. And again, going a price pulls back, I get out the trade and it keep pushing up. That's not my trade, okay? You got to know what you're doing before the market does it. You can't let the market dictate what you do. Okay? Like I didn't enter a trade until I got a close above resistance, you know what I mean? It's like you're making a deal with the market. That's the wick. That's the wick field right here. All right. Like I said, game price come back down here. I'm out. Okay. Okay. Pushing up. I'm gonna keep it a whole bean, gang. I close my whole position right here. Once it came to my TP and rejected, I close my whole position. All right. Let's see what I got. Remember, I went long on this candle here. Stop loss, close below the range. So we cut another 1 to 7. All right, not bad. Not bad, gang. A 1 to 7. And on the 15-minute time frame, this candle don't have a bottom wick. This candle have a small bottom wick. So I took that quick scalp. Okay, 1 to 7. I am the perpetrator, TPT concepts, you feel me? And again, this is SPY. I traded a close today. I went over the trade. I said I was waiting for a break out of this resistance. And the reason we didn't enter a trade in this range is because of the consolidation. We patiently waited for a setup into the trade, and we caught a 1 to 7. All right, and it's called one good trade a day. All right, one good trade a day, gang. All right, that's all we can do. I am the perpetrator. God bless, man. All love, gang. Enjoy your weekend, man. And I'll see if I can do some trade breakdown videos over the weekend and go over the trades that I took this week. And again, gang, thanks for all the support. Much love, man. Peace.